Leaders. Disclaimer. This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello there, welcome down to my channel. My name is Will. Welcome to Leaders Road and welcome to this Ultimo Pay debit card review. First, let's talk about off-ramping crypto. And if you are not familiar with this term, this is actually the process where you are going to convert your crypto back into fiat money and how you can use your crypto to buy not only digital products but physical products or pay for services. This off-ramping process can be challenging, especially with the recent Congress hearings in the US. They are focusing on separating banks and crypto. We all know that a regulation is going to happen. We don't know when, but it's going to happen. In this present moment, off-ramping is not as easy as you might think. There are a bunch of crypto exchange companies doing this. You might be using companies like Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, but all of them are subject to regulation and they could potentially vanish. They could potentially block your capital inside those exchanges. These companies are not offering much privacy when it comes to our information, our spending habits. Privacy is always an asset inside this environment, especially when we need to deal with taxes, with bank rates. It's important to be prepared for all of those upcoming changes, not only for the people in the US, but all over the world. So, having said all that, this is where the Ultimo Pay debit card comes in. This is the first real short bank account that is offering a no limit physical debit card, a card that we can use to transfer our crypto and we can use it all over the world for shopping, to pay for our vacations, to go to the movies. It's perfect to bring our crypto to the real world, and it's also offering a solution for our privacy. The rates for the service are significantly cheaper compared to other companies offering similar services. The process to get started is super simple. We just need to fill up a form, pay a fee. After these two steps, the team of Ultimo, they're going to be handling your offshore account. That means they're going to be opening your overseas account and they are going to send you the card, the debit card by mail. During this video, I'll be showing you the process on how to get started because I already opened an account. I'm hoping to get my card in 10 or 12 days. I'm also going to show you more about the company. I'm going to explain how it works and how to use it, the limits that they will have in withdrawals. But before we go there, and if this is your first time here, welcome down. And I want to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. If you find some value here, I will appreciate your likes and your comments. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can find me on Telegram. The link is in the description of this video. So the Ultimo Pay debit card. This is a great solution for all of us trying to bring the crypto to the real world. If you are following this channel, I guess you also have some inversions in the DeFi space. And when we all take our profits to bring it to the real world, as I call it, that might be challenging. First, I was using Binance to convert, to do the exchange, and to transfer that money directly to my bank account. The fees that I was paying for the whole process were quite high, and sometimes I have to wait for almost 2 days. Then I found another company that is based here in the Middle East. The fees were a little bit lower, but also used to take so long to do the whole transfer and arrive to my bank account. Now with this Ultimo card, looks like it's going to be super easy. We can send directly from our wallet. Let's say you have a MetaMask, you send it directly to your Ultimo card and you can use it right away. This is not only a debit card, it's also an account, an overseas bank account where we can deposit crypto assets. And as they say here, can be used online, use it for shopping and withdrawals, and is available in Visa and Union Pay. If you come to the main site, you can check here the different services that they have. The Ultimo Platinum Wallet. So inside Ultimo, We also have a wallet, the Ultimo Platinum Visa debit card, which is the one that I'm reviewing today, offshore banking, the overseas bank account. All those three are connected. We have pricing. I'm going to talk about this in a second. We have a support link, live chat right here down below. With the Ultimo Pay card, you can withdraw crypto to fiat from an ATM anytime and anywhere in the world. And here we have no spending limits, high ATM withdrawal limits, withdrawal with ATMs around the world, accepted worldwide by 40 million plus merchants, low ATM merchants transaction fee at only 0.75%. That sounds fantastic. As I told you, we can send directly from our wallets. We can deposit in USDT or Bitcoin, and it's going to do the exchange to USD. All right. Enabled by trusted partners. We will have our account in this bank called JBD. This is an international bank that is located in Asia. They've been running since 1989, and they are members of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Easy to issue in many countries. I opened an account with crypto.com, but then when I tried to get my card, they were restricted in different countries. And that happens with so many crypto cards out there. But with this card, you can apply from all over the world and they are going to deliver it to you. Right here below, well, more information about the company. And I want to invite you to come here and read all of this on your own time. Terms and conditions, privacy policy, wallet terms, exchange terms, card terms. They are also having a community in Telegram you can access by clicking in this icon. All right. They've been running for a little while. Last year, around November, they also released an NFT project that is actually linked to the company. You could get started with a lower fee, but now they are not having more NFTs. But still, we have the chance to apply for the card just by paying a fee of, and let's go to pricing. It's gonna cost us 600 to open our account, but this is going to happen. To open the account and to print your card and deliver it is gonna cost 450, and the other 150 you're gonna have it as a bank opening deposit. As they say here, is going to be added to your bank account balance. Another good thing that we have with this card is that there is no limit in withdrawals. Highest ATM withdrawal limit. Well, actually, there is a limit. We can withdraw 25,000 USD per day. That's the max. Well, I don't think one ATM is gonna give you the 25,000 at once. Probably you need to go to a couple of different ATMs to get the 25K in one day. And if you are going to use it to pay services or to buy products, you will have no spending limits. If you want to withdraw more than 25K per day, you can still do it, but you need to contact support in order to do that. They want to help you in that process. So that's basically what we got here. Let me show you how to get started. And to do that, if you click in the first link down below the description of this video, it's going to take you directly to this page. Or if I click in this button, you just need to fill up with your personal information, agree to the conditions, privacy policy, wallet terms. Once you are inside the members area, first thing you need to do is click here where it says profile registration. It's going to take you to the next page. This is basically your KYC where you have to provide an ID copy or a passport copy. This information is absolutely necessary for them to process your bank account. Then you're gonna come here once again. You will find this message, easy steps to apply for a debit card, apply now. So when you click there, you will land in this page. I order a Visa card, so I click on this one. I type here the name that I want to have in my card, and right here you have to type the name that you have in your passport or your ID. Fill up these couple of steps, and then it will give you a message that looks like this. They are going to review your information. If you need to submit again your ID or your passport copy or some other information, they will let you know. It will take 2 to 3 days, but took only like 30 minutes for me. It was really fast. Then, Once is approved, you will see this bar on top, complete profile, upload documents. After the confirmation, this is where we select our payment method to deposit the 600. I select USDT, but you also have Bitcoin or USD. After you select the method that you want, then click in accept and pay. In this page, select deposit, select here the network. I use USDT in the Tron network, TRC20. Then you will get an address. You have to take that address, send the 600 to that address, and after they receive the payment, you will get this type of message. Your payment has been completed and approved. Right here, they say expect the card delivery to your postal address in 10 to 15 banking days. So then your progress bar is going to look like this. The last step is going to be activate your card. Once I get my card, I will make another video showing you how to activate it. After the card is activated, I will try it, which is simple. I'm gonna come to my MetaMask and I'm gonna send some funds to this wallet to recharge my card. And then that's it. We can take the card and use it. Let's take a look at the rest of the site. Right here in the left side panel, we have different tools. Wallet. You have two wallets here. One is Bitcoin, the other one is USDT. Here is the Ultimate cards. Let me open this. And if you pay attention here, they say issue a new card now. So we can have more than one card with Ultimo. Maybe, I don't know, you want to have another one for your wife or your kids. So you can apply for more cards. Here in account, your profile and settings, affiliates, they have a referral program. Let's take a look. And with this project, you can have some extra profits if you invite people to discover Ultimo Pay. They provide here two different links, two different landing pages. And if we check, let me see here in commissions, I think you can get $30 or $50 if you invite anyone here. Let me check the referral program. Yes, refer your friends and earn up to 50 USDT. So that's what we got, guys. Now, to me, it looks like a great opportunity because this one is open all over the world. And right here in the Middle East is being quite of a challenge to get a crypto card. So this is going to be the perfect option for me. And this is also good news for those that are in the US. And the biggest benefit, of course, is that with the Ultimo card, I can send all the returns that I have from my passive income opportunities directly to my card and use the card in any store, any restaurant, to buy physical products, digital products, to pay for services. I will share my experience as usual. So stay tuned for that new video. All right, guys, this is all the information that I have for you today. If you found some value here, smash the like button. And if you have any questions, you can leave those down below. And before we go, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. This was my review for the Ultimo Pay debit card. I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing day. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road.